Good morning, students. In our previous chapter, we have studied about animals and their lifestyles. Here, we will deal with insects. Small animals like ant, cockroach, spider, and worm are often seen in and around the house. Insects have special characteristics that make them different from other animals. Insects vary in shape and size. Features of insects: they have 6 legs, their body is divided into 3 parts, 2 feelers called antennae, they have soft bodies with no bones. Insects like butterfly, bee, fly, and mosquito have wings and they can fly. Insects like ant and termite have wings when they are young, but they shed them as they grow. They cannot fly, but they crawl. Grasshopper and cricket are good jumpers. Now, where do insects hide? Ant and mosquitoes hide in a small corner of the house. Cockroach hide in a dark and moist places. The body color of some insects match their surroundings and they cannot be spotted by enemies like grasshopper and caterpillars. Now, how are insects harmful? Honey, bee, and wasp have a sting that cause pain, redness, and swelling on the skin. Bite of mosquito is also painful. Diseases like malaria, dengue, and chikungunya are spread by mosquitoes. Houseflies sit on the garbage or rotten food and transfer germs from here there to the fresh food on which they sit, resulting diseases like dysentery and cholera. To prevent from these insects, we should keep our surrounding clean, dumping waste in covered dustbin, don't leave food uncovered, don't let water stagnate around your house. Next point is, how are insects useful? Honeybee collects nectar from the flowers and stores it in the combs of a beehive. Honey is used by us for several purposes. Butterfly and bumblebee help in a transfer of pollen grains from one flower to another. This helps in producing more flowers. Silkworms. Silk thread is obtained from silkworms. It is used by us to make silk clothes. Now, what are worms? Animals like earthworm, centipede, and millipede are long tube-like animals that do not have legs. They move by shortening and expanding their bodies. Now, spiders. What are spiders? Spiders are animals that belong to a group called Arachnida. They are neither insects nor worms. Unlike insects, spiders have 8 legs. Spiders spin webs with a liquid that comes out of tiny holes from its back. This liquid becomes thin and strong like a thread of drying. Insects that try to fly through the web get trapped in it and are eaten by the spiders. Let's recap what we have learned today. Insects are animals that have 6 legs. Their body is divided into 3 parts. And some insects can fly, some crawl, and some others can jump. Insects hide in corners and nooks of the house to protect themselves from enemies. Some insects are useful like butterfly and honeybee, and some are harmful like and give painful bites and spread diseases. Long tube like legless animals are called worms, and spiders are 8-legged animals that spin webs. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.